To all who come to this happy place, welcome. Disneyland is your land.
5 life lessons that Walt Disney teaches us. Walt Disney, along with his brother, opened Disney Studio, which later on came to be known as Walt Disney Production, where he would make cartoon illustrations and would exhibit in the studio. By then he was quite a known face, and people would come from far away to view his illustrations, which were made into movies as well. But somehow Walt Disney was not very happy with whatever he was doing. He wanted more excitement for his audience, and he knew that the studio has a very limited things to offer to his audience. Oh, and he had a tryst for architecture. The idea came to him when he took his daughters out on a Saturday to have some fun time. He took his daughter to an amusement park, which had a very limited number of joyrides and was very dirty. It was that time that he decided that he wanted to open a park which would be a source of entertainment for not only kids but also the adults. At that point of time, it was just an idea. But to give a shape to that idea, it took him a long time. After several years, his dream of creating world's biggest theme park came true. So the first lesson that he teaches us is to dream big and to believe in your dream to come true. The second lesson from Walt Disney is, if there's a will, there's a way. He took his idea of creating a park to many investors, but none of them believed his concept or could actually have a complete understanding of what he was proposing. His thought was way forward than that time. So it was not possible for anyone to understand his concept in totality. Even his brother started questioning his concept and the idea of coming up with an amusement park. His wife was very skeptical about this entire idea because it was a foreign idea in America even then, and she thought that it is a sure shot recipe to failure. He proved everybody wrong after all. He persevered, and after several years, his dream came true and everybody was proven wrong. Third lesson that he teaches us is to have an eye for detailing. When he opened the first day, there was a huge traffic and almost 28,000 people visited the park. The park only had a strength of entertain 10,000 people. The footfall definitely outnumbered the capacity, resulting into fire breakout, scarcity of food. But he didn't back out from his idea. He was so determined to entertain everyone who came and not let anyone go away without viewing his park that he made special provision by deploying more manpower overnight. He also took it as a challenge because his wife told him the kind of park that he has built, it is difficult for him to maintain it and keep it clean. He deployed several workers who would wash the park every night, paint the signages so that they look new every day, remove any chewing gum which was there on the roads, keep changing the greens every year. His workers were also taken care of. When they were on duty, they were not supposed to wear jewelry, perfume and bright nail paints so that they stay happy. He built a Disney University for them. Fourth lesson that he teaches us is about never stop experimenting, exploring. He had an explorer mind. So when he opened the park, he only had 4 sections assigned to the area. But as and when time passed and he started developing more and more cartoon characters, the entire park started developing into special zones, special corners, depicting his cartoon characters as popular cartoon series. In 1955, he opened Disneyland. Entire park was divided in Adventureland and Fantasyland. He developed a cartoon character which became very famous called Mickey Mouse, who would approach the guests and greet them and engage in conversation and play with the kids. The fifth lesson that he teaches us is never say never. Though he started with only one Disneyland in Anaheim, California, he had a dream of taking Disneyland to other part of the world. Though in his lifetime he couldn't see that, but after his death there were several Disneyland which were opened, starting with Orlando, Florida, followed by Japan and Paris. In the year 2022, around 16 million footfall have been recorded in Disneyland. which is a record-breaking number of footfall in a theme park. Read about him to get inspired. For more book-related information and such interesting stories, follow me by subscribing my YouTube channel. Press on the bell icon. I'm also present on Instagram as the Ninth Born. Follow me there.